Here are 5 common mistakes to avoid when mounting luggage on your motorcycle. First up, distribute weight evenly within your luggage. If your bags are heavier on one side, it will affect the balance of your bike and change how it feels when you ride. Balance is a key to smooth, stable ride. If you're using saddlebags, split your gear evenly to keep each bag at a similar weight. If you're using a tail bag, try to keep heavier things centrally. Number 2, don't load your luggage weight too far back on the bike. A tail-heavy setup changes your bike's handling, making steering feel light and unstable. Keep heavier items closer to the center, above or just behind the foot pegs, for balance and control. Improperly mounted luggage is a recipe for trouble. If your bag shifts mid-ride, it can affect handling or worse, fall off. Double check every strap and mounting point. Tight, secure and tested. That should be your rule. Number 4, keep your luggage away from exhausts, chains and sharp edges. Heat and friction can melt or tear your bags fast. Leave space and, if needed, use heat shields or exhaust guards. And finally, don't leave straps flapping around. Loose ends can get tangled in your wheel or chain. Always tuck or tie them away neatly before you start your ride. These 5 simple checks can improve your ride and keep your luggage more secure. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment to let us know. Thanks for watching.